In this video I'm going to show you how we can use Canva as a beginner. If you are a beginner and you never used Canva before, then this video is for you. So let's jump right into it. Okay, this is the Canva interface. I'm using my Google browser to open the Canva websites, and if you have Canva apps you can use whatever you like, but I'm using from my Google browser. So this is the Canva interface, and after signing up you will see the interface. This is the interface, but you will not see this recent designs and any other things as a beginner or as a user of first time. So you may not see this like me, but everything to the left and at the top will be very much similar. Everything will be the same. Okay, so I believe you have already created the Canva account, and after signing up you will see that. Okay, if you have Canva Pro it will be good, and if you don't have, it doesn't matter. You will have so much options to use Canva as a free user. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, we just want to go to the left. There is a home options, or we can see button, and the projects options, home options. You will see the bunch of things ever available here, and you can see the options here. So there is a projects that options will show you the project you working on. I mean, if you worked on any projects, that will show you the projects you recently worked. And templates, the options, you will see that there are couple of templates, so many templates over there. You can find out after searching brand and apps and Dreamlab. These are not necessary right now. As a beginner, we don't need to touch each and everything. First of all, you just need to try to understand how to use Canva as a beginner, as a first time. After using that, you will definitely get so much options to use and so many ways how you can use the Canva properly, and you will be used to use the Canva properly. So first of all, we just want to go to the create a design option. So we are going to select this one, and we are going to click on it, and it will show you a bunch of things. What are the things that we can make using the Canva? Flyer, list, docs, your story, Instagram posts, a bunch of things. And to the left you will see docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, websites, customers, everything, and that is necessary. You can use Canva for your design. So it's very much easier tool and very useful tool for the non-graphic designer who are not actually a graphic designer, because you will see a bunch of options over here, but it's really also helpful for a graphic designer nowadays. So first of all, we just want to create an Instagram post size document, so then we can create something or we can work on it. So let's type in Instagram post, and you will see a couple of options over there, a bunch of options over there, and Instagram post, videos, Instagram reels. And the first thing is that we just want to create Instagram post 4 that we are not going to use. We are going to use Instagram post square 1080 by 1080 pixels, and everything will be in pixels. So now this is the custom things that you will see on Canva. So first of all, we just want to create the Instagram post square. So there are a bunch of other options that we can use, so what is necessary. But right now, as a beginner, we are not going to create all the things. First of all, we just want to go with the Instagram post square 1080 by 1080. Okay, so just click on it. Okay, now you are seeing a page or documents over there that is blank. It's created. So you want to create an Instagram post. What is necessary to create an Instagram post or any other design? First thing is that how to apply or how to add text. So this is very common thing that you can use, and that is necessary to learn as a beginner. You may know how can we learn Canva and how we can use Canva by adding text. So this is very important. The first beginner and fundamental thing is to add text. So how we can do that? So to the left there are tool options over there, design elements, a bunch of things, upload options. So we will go deep into them one by one. So first of all, we just want to go to text and select it. There are a bunch of things. You will see a text box. You want to use magic write, whatever, like using AI you can write something. So we are not going to touch this one. So first of all, add box, and the default text styles and heading, subheading, body text, whatever you want. So let's say add a text box. Okay, so this is the things that we are going to use. So let's say this is the text. So after selecting this one, you can drag it over here wherever you want to take it. Okay, so this is the bounding box that's showing that we need to keep the text in the box. It will be nice, it will be good, but it doesn't necessary right now. So we have the text. Now we want to change the text. This is our dummy or pre-made text, your paragraph text. So we want to change it. So how we can change it? Just select it and double click it. It will select all the text. Okay, so now we want to write something. Let's create our design. Okay, so this is the first text we are using. So now it is in the center, the alignment is center, so we want to keep it to the left. So how we can do that? Just click here, alignment, it's center, now it's left. Okay, so you want to increase the size of all the text. How we can do that? Just click and drag, it will increase the size of it if you are a beginner. Okay, so we want to bring it to the left. Okay, now we want to change the font size of this one. So how we can do that? Just click and drag it, and we can increase it, click and drag it and increase it. Okay, you can increase it. And if you want to change the font to, let's create our design. So we want to make this, create our design a bolder version of it. So click on bold. Okay, we can do that. We already showed you how we can change the text to bolder, and how we can change the font also. If you select this all the text, you will see the options over here. Canva Sans, it's a default font, so we can use pop-ins as well. So whatever you want, so we can use. Okay, so now we want to change the color of it. So how we can do that? Just select all the text. So go to the text color options. You will see a bunch of options over here to change that. Okay, now we are to stay with this one, so we can work on later on. So the text is over here. So now we want to implement our element or background, something like that. So how we can do that? Let's go to the element options, and there you'll see a couple of options over here, and shapes and bunch of things, frames, arrows, lines, circles, bunch of things over there. So let's see, select this one, and you will see the shapes option, or you can search on the search box shape. Okay, click on it, and you will see the bunch of shapes over there are available, and I believe these are the things are very much free. So if you're a free user, and if you're not a Canva Pro user, so you can use this one as a free user. So what we can do now, okay, just select any shape that you want to use. For example, I want to select this one. Okay, now select text and drag it over there. Now we want to change the color of it, because we want to put it and send it to the background of the text. So the color of this shape and the text are very similar, and I mean they're exactly the same. So we want to change the color of it. So select on the circle, and you will see the bunch of options to here. So we want to use the black, not working right now I think. So let's see what we can use, and it's working, not working, it will not work. I think black will work a little bit. So how we can increase the size of it? Drag and select and drag and drag in. Okay, so we can drag it over here. Okay, now we have to increase the size of it. Okay, let's see. So you can use the text color to the white color. I think it will work as well. So I think this color is not working properly, so I believe it will be great to use white color as well. So let's see what will work. Okay, let's see, put it over here, and if you drag it over here it will go. So everything, it will depend on you how you want to look it. So we are not creating any great design right now because we are the user of the Canva for the first time, so we want to just implement how to use it. Okay, now we want to add any images to the post or design. So how we can do that? So go to the element options. Over here you will see and select this one, and you will need to select a frame where you want to use the image. So go to the frame and write down frame. Okay, and press enter. Okay, now write down from design. Now we want to show you how we can use the frame to add any image or picture on the search bar. Write down frame and press enter. You will see bunch of frames over there. So what is the one that we are going to use? So let's see which one that will be similar to this one. Let's see which one we can use it. So we want to use, okay, this one is okay. Now we want to use this one. Okay, we are just going to drag it over here. So I think we can use later. Okay, this one. So how we can implement this one and how we can use as a picture. So now we need to bring our image. So design options over here and the photos option over here. Now you want to use an image and which one you can use. Okay, now let's say this one. Okay, now we just want to place it over here. Just click and place it over here and double click on the image, and you can move it over here to the right. Okay, now if you want to use any things as a body text, you can use over there. And how we can use body text, I know you also know that. And this is the options over here. You can the body text over here, text option over here. Select this one, change the color of it, click on here and make it black. Okay, you can use this one, or you can use the text box over here. That can be increase the size of it. Okay, select this one. Okay, now select this one and resize it and change the alignment, and you can write down the text whatever you want. And you may want to use any icons. So how we can find out the icon? So just go to elements and write down icon. Let's see what's happening. So there is a bunch of options over here. See all the icons over here. These are the free that you can use, and you can use at the top. And right now this one you can resize it, and you want to change the color of it. So how we can do that? Just select this one. It will change the color of the black, and there is another options. You are seeing the color. So there are two colors that is used for the icon, so you can change the color of it as well. So select this one and go to the another color to change the white color. For example, we want to change the color of it from black to this one and white. white one too, black one, or any other color that look good. So this one, whatever you want. So this one you can use, but I think it will look good on white. So let's change the color of it to white. Drag it over here. Okay, you want to add globe and whatever the icon that you want to use that is relevant or may need, you can find out over here. Just go to the element options and search on here, and you will see the bunch of options: frame, shape, super, icons, or you may find out. So what is, let's see if we can find out any illustration. Okay, illustration, if we can find any illustration. Yes, there are a bunch of illustration options over here you can use for your design. So most of the time you may see there are pro. So let's say we want to use this one. So how we can do that? Just go this one and click on here, and okay, so now you want to use this one over here. Let's see, and change the color of it to see it look good. Okay, there are a bunch of things, so just select this one. Now we need to put or send it to back. Okay, so how we can send it to backward? So send to backward means one step back of the layer. So if you want to send to back, it will go to the back at the end. So we want to send it to backward. Okay, let's see. Now we can select this one. Okay, so there are other options over here. You can use this one as a pro user. You can use this one. So this one is okay. Okay, we can use this one. Okay, portrait, these are the things that you can use and change the color of it. Okay, let's see, and you can change the color of it to this one. Okay, I am not going to make it a longer video. I think it's going to be a longer video already, so I want to stop right now. So if you are a new user, you can use and you can play with the Canva, and you will see a bunch of options. So we will bring more videos and to show you the advanced level of Canva, how to use. So now we are going to stay with this one. Thanks for watching video. So another thing that we want to go to here, and you will see how you can export the image and how we can use the image. So how we can do that? So just go to the share options. You will see the bunch of options, and click on the download, and you will see the suggested one is PNG, JPG, and other things. SVG, if you are a pro user, you can use SVG. And there are a bunch of things for videos and keep another things, so you will see. So just want to PNG and download, and it will download. It will take a little bit time, and this is the processing, and it will download it, and now it is already downloaded. So this is the options. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll be coming back with another new video. Bye bye.